So I'm here. Basically, maybe you have like there's written marketing with Google or something like that, but we changed our topic, Google for work, but it's somehow related. So, so I'm Aakar. My name is Aakar Ghimire, but most of my friends know me as Aakar, and I'm online everywhere as Aakar Post as a username, mostly, and I am a marketing technologist at Cloud Factory, and sometimes write in Aakar Post, my blog, and I like photography. If you see that, that's a core picture of a Google Plus. So I am active Google Plus user with more than like around 4,000 followers in Google Plus. So it's a hybrid community, and so I enjoy being in Google Plus. So basically, we are going to talk about marketing with Google. So I'll start with marketing. What is marketing? So marketing, my understanding is that marketing is all about connecting your brands and products with people. So as you see, there's an Axis 6. So it's like Google is like successfully connected their brands and their products with people. Like everyone in the room probably waiting for Nexus 6. So here's the marketing cycle. It's from the Kaushik.net. Kaushik means, Avinash Kaushik from Google. He's a marketing and analytics evangelist. So I follow him. I follow him on Twitter. I follow him on Google Plus, on Facebook, his blog. So he came with this, and I think that's the way marketing is being done and has to go. So basically, there's a two strategy for marketing right now. Some says three, but he said like let's focus on two: your own and you rent. Your own means you have your own website, your blog for a business, and your rent means you have social media tools, various social media tools. You can use various social media tools. Plus, if you have a great website and blogs, then you can have a great digital success. And some other people says like you have on media means like other people are talking about your products, your brand on their blog, on their Twitter feed, on their Facebook. That's inbound marketing. So there's three channels. So Google Apps for Business. Google recently changed their name as Google for Work, but I just got these pictures from the internet. So there's Google for Business. So we'll be talking about few apps, how business can leverage those apps, those Google tools. So let's start. I would like to start with my own story, personal story. Because I'll be talking about Blogger, and I have been using Blogger from last 7 years. I have started blogging in 2007, and it's 2014, so it's 7 years. This is a product from Google. And it's like if you are a business, a small size business or medium size business or a startup, then you can use that Blogger as a blogging platform, like for your company, like because it is hosted by Google, so no worry about like content, like hacking or anything. And you can also use custom domain, and you can also design, give your brand. You can like actually design your own blog layout there, and you can have like multiple authors, maybe marketing people, sales people, CEO, CTO, and everyone can blog there. And like it has like basic features, like it has social sharing buttons, and it has like very clean, minimal interface for like posting your new blog. So right now, this morning, I posted a blog about this event. And on the way, one of my friends sent me a message on Facebook saying, I have written like, Kathmandu ma as a Google Day manaide, and he suggested to change the title to Nepal ma as a Google Day manaide. I had written like Kathmandu ma manaide because I was targeting the Kathmandu audience so that they can come to the event. But he suggested me to like change the title. So I was on the way. I like I get onto my mobile, and then I just like use the Blogger app, and I just change the title. So it's so easy. You can use Blogger from any device. And probably I'm going to blog about this event like with more photos. But do you know, I don't have to download any photos from my mobile, because I have taken maybe probably around 50 photos, and it's all are on my Google Plus. So I'll go to home and like sign into Blogger, and I'll upload all those photos from my phone, directly from phone. They're already on the Google. So Google, Google uses one account, so it's everywhere. It can be accessible from everywhere. Like you can take photos or anything. So I don't have to like download photos and then again upload to blog. I can directly import all my photos from Blogger to my mobile to my blog. So this is one of the tool. Like if any startup like those who don't, I'll show some examples there. So there's Google official blog, and like everything about Google comes with a .blogspot in their blog. So my blog, both blogs, Aakar Post and Aakar Tech, are on Blogger from last 7 years, and there's Ispara SMS, their official blog as well. In Cloud Factory as well, I started with Blogger's blog, but as we moved to some other enterprise level marketing software, so I had to move our blog from the Blogger. But I still prefer Blogger if you are like a new company or a startup to start with. So blog is all about for content creation. You can create content on there, but content is king, but marketing is queen. So we're talking about how we can like leverage Google tools for marketing, because we already have content on our website, on our blog, but how we are going to get traffic, how we are going to get traction. So when we talk about SEO, it's basically Google, how to like rank your website, blog, your business on Google. So I'll be talking about few different tools we can use for that. So moving to next is webmaster tools. Like when you have a website or your business website, then don't forget to register your site in Google Webmaster Tool. It will give you one script, and then you can just put it there and verify you as a webmaster, and then you can add, basically you can tell Google which page to crawl and which one to block. They have various features like submit URL to Google, or you can also have removal requests. You can like put sitemap XML there, sitemap, robot.txt, everything. I'll be just talking about giving a brief overview. So if you want to know in detail, then contact me after the program. So you can actually see what's happening with your site in the Google Webmaster Tool. Like how many people are coming to your website, and if there's any issue with your website, if your site is attacked by virus or anything, you can get the information right in the Webmaster Tool. So moving to next, I'm going to analytics. So we have this quote on our office in Cloud Factory. Like we have like 3 or 4 messages there. Like all in God we trust, all others must bring data. So we marketing people are data oriented, and we have to give the results. So this also this analytics is also great tool for marketing. So you can actually see who the number of audience people are visiting your website, visiting different pages, and their geolocation and everything. You can explore many things there, even the conversion and everything. If you are like giving some case study or white paper, you can simply upload to the. If you are using like Google service, then you can probably upload it to the drive and then give link there on the site, and then you can track the download, conversion, everything, and it will be tracked in Google Analytics. So this is my readership, my blog readership. So basically, I tend to focus in Nepal because my audience are in Nepal. Like you see the dark blue in Nepal. So my audience are there. And after that, maybe probably US and some other countries. So you literally you can like dig inside the analytics and know everything about your like which page is popping well, which like keywords, everything. So it's about keyword now. So it's basically for content for SEO. Later, Shilpa will talk about keyword planner for AdWords. So I'll be just focusing on SEO. how you can use keyword tool. So I just, there's one example based Momo in Kathmandu, because if I want to run a business like a Momo restaurant or anything like that, so we can use that tool to do the keyword research and know the weekly, monthly volume, like global searches, everything there, and you can also get a suggestion for, if I search for best Momo in Nepal, it says there's like around 30 queries from Nepal and some other, it gives other suggestions like hotels in Kathmandu or something like that. So it's just an example. You can use that tool and then you can really make a good content out of it. So here's another one, Google Docs, right? Saroj also talked about Google Docs. It's available in Nepali. So it's a collaboration, a great collaboration tool. You can see like we have like different people in my Google Drive, like in office, in business, if you have like you have many departments and if you want to like streamline the communication, then Google Docs is the place. In our company, we are using Google Apps for very beginning. So it's pretty useful. So also I made this slide deck on Google Slides. So I think it's amazing. So, and also lastly, I like to add here, there's one tool from Google. They just released the Android and iOS and Android app to learn marketing. If you are new to marketing, if you are like starting a business, then you can really go and download Primer app from Google. So from the Google Play Store or iTunes, so that you can learn about marketing, new trends, and then like it's like a interactive mobile app. You can learn about it. Now I'll call Shilpa for the rest of the presentation.
Moving ahead where Aakar left about talking about Google marketing tools, we have a website set up. We have set up the whole SEO thing. We know about what to keep in sight and how to make a beautiful, wonderful website. So what's next? The next things come is page rank. However, Google has removed the page rank few years ago, but even now it is useful as Google uses this tool to search pages so that they can come up higher in the search bar. So why is page rank useful? Page rank it gives an importance to the website, to the page. It gives authority of web to the page, and it gives reliability to the page. A page, if, for example, two pages which have the same content, same SEO, same inbound, outbound links, but one has lower page rank and one has higher page rank, then in that case, the page which has higher page rank will come up higher in Google search. So why we need this? We have our website. Now the next thing is to reach to the concerned target. And to reach to that target, we need to increase our page rank. We need to come up higher in the search bar. Another thing which can help us coming higher to the search bar is Google+. What Google+ does is, the profiles which are in Google+ will get ranked in the page rank. Plus, the links which we share on Google+ will help us to come higher in the page rank. Like, for an example, I have highlighted here, I have searched for GBG Kathmandu, and there was a search result showing our blog post at Blogger, which was on Google+ profile. So the link of the blog was on the Google+ profile, and due to that, it came in the search bar. So what happens in Google+? We start a page. It is a social networking platform specifically for business-to-business model. So we start a page, we follow people. People will follow us. We share some content, and they will share our content. What happens is another followers will share their content, and so the followers will follow us indirectly. And in that way, our page will rank higher. But when it comes on what to post on Google+, so a Google tool that can be useful while posting in Google+ is Google Alerts. Now, how can it be useful is, we know our industry, we know our target audience, but we lack in content. Content as in what to showcase. So in that place, Google Alerts come handy. What it can do is it monitors the whole web. We, as Aakar talked about keyword planner, we have our specific keywords with us, which we will be targeting. And those keywords, we can set alerts from Google Alerts. What they does it, while we set a certain keyword, Google Alert will send us emails showing what in the web is going around with that keyword. So it is basically, it shows the news which are related to our industry, and with those news, we can create better contents so that our website can come higher in the page rank, in the search bar. But one thing to keep in mind is we should be very specific about keywords. We should not keep alerts for 5 to 10 keywords, everything. We should not look for targeting each and every keyword.